Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use the cappuccino maker if you want to froth your milk. This is on a Delonghi Magnifica S. So pretend now you've made your coffee and you want to get some nice frothy milk. What we need to do is we need to hit this button on the top right hand side here. It looks like steam. And you will hear it making some noises. This light is just going to flash for a while. It will let you know when it's ready to use. There we go. Temperature light's gone out, so it's now up to temperature. This is now flashing, so it's ready to use. So I'm just going to get some milk. I'm just putting it in this glass here, just purely so you can see it frothing up. We only need a little bit. So we need to place it under here. You can move this around. And we're going to turn this now to on here. And now it's going to start frothing. So if we pull it out, you'll be able to hear that it's putting out steam. So obviously you leave it in there as long as you need, however frothy you want and however warm you want the milk to be. Obviously this is warming up the milk at the same time as frothing it. You can always stop it and you can start it again. And now when it's at your required frothiness, all we have to do is turn it off here. I'm turning it off while the nozzle is still in here. That way then I'm not going to get scalded with steam as I pull it out. And that's it. We can simply turn the machine off afterwards, or you can hit this button here and you can see we're ready then to make another cup of coffee. So that's it. That's how to use a milk frother on a Delonghi Magnifica S. Thanks for watching.